Welcome to my YouTube channel, Perfume Emotion. It's Money again. So today's video is about unboxing, authenticity check, 2 to 3 hours sillage, longevity, projection, performance review of Abercrombie and Fitch First Instinct Blue. Now let's do unboxing and authenticity check in parallel. Yeah. So before we do unboxing, let me tell you something which can help you to understand whether the perfume which you have received is like genuine or not. So first of all, we need to look towards the cellophane paper. Cellophane paper should be and must be applied meticulously. There should not be any gap or anything like that. So you can see cellophane paper has been meticulously applied over here. Yeah. Second thing which we should do is that see, sometimes cover can give us the information about or the box can give the information about the genuinity of the fragrance. So what we should do, we should go to authentic or original website of that particular perfume or particular fragrance or particular brand and see what has been displayed over there. We'll do a batch code check as well. I have already done that, but we'll do that as well. And then let's start the unboxing. So here is unboxing. I was waiting for this moment for a long time. So it's like really blue in color, just like its name. It is really blue in color. So at the front there is logo. At the back there is no logo, so you can put your logo if you like. Name is on the right side of the bottle, yeah, box. And at the bottom, if you can see, there is barcode and there is batch code. It's not possible for you to read, so that's why I'm going to read it. It's NJ18. So once I have a batch code, I'll go to Google first of all and then type Abercrombie Fitch First Instinct Blue batch code, and then when you search that, you will find few sites. So I've chosen site cosmeticcheck.app. So I entered that particular batch code into that after matching it with the brand, and it says that the production date was 2023 September, and age of this perfume is 8 months and 17 days. So it is considerably a recent sort of manufacturing. At the bottom it has been mentioned as like 36 months, and there is some drawing showing like open box. So that means that once you open the box, yeah, you need to complete each and every drop of this perfume within 3 years. So you do have 3 years time for that. Yes, and this is quite similar as I have seen in various videos as well as on authentic website. Like in silver color they have mentioned name ANF First Instinct Blue. There is a very good sort of opener, and now let's spray. So in general, if you have bought new sort of bottle, initial 2 or 3 spray when you try, it will not flow any sort of juice. So that let's see whether it happens or not. No? Yes. On third, we got the juice. The notes, its top notes are bergamot, yeah, which is citrusy, apple, and cardamom. So it should be like citrusy as well as fruity, slight spicy in the opening. Middle notes are lavender, rosemary, and pepper. Yes. It's called LRP, so lavender, rosemary, and pepper. And the base notes are sandalwood, tonka beans, and amber. Yeah. Let me see whether I'm getting and what I'm getting. I'm definitely getting citrus, but it's like more of apple plus bergamot sort of citrus. Slightly cardamom. So let me apply it to my hand so I can have a better understanding about mid note and base notes. Let it dry down. Hi, welcome back. So my initial plan was to come back after 3 hours, but I have come back after 2.5 hours. So in the initial part, when I applied, there was some sort of sillage, might be an arm length sort of sillage for an hour, but after an hour that sillage has been vanished. Initially it smelled like more of like citrusy, later on slightly powdery, and later on when base note came, a bit of woody and sweet. But after 2.5 hours I would hardly smell it on my body. So yeah, who can use this, or where can we use this? We can use it in daily wear, and if you're okay to reapply it 3 times or 4 times a day, then yes, it is for you, because smell as such is good, although longevity and sillage are not that much. Scent profile is very good, so it's not like to be disappointed at all. I would advise ANF to produce or manufacture it in 200 ml sort of bottle, so people can have like this bottle, this perfume in a large amount with a smaller sort of price. This might attract some youngsters or teenagers, because like it is being considered as an alternative to Versace Dylan Blue. So Versace Dylan Blue is very long lasting in comparison to this. However, it is costlier to this as well. So yeah, it is quite based on your perspective. What do you think? What are your priorities? And so for youngsters it is good. For us, so people like us who work at workplace and who can afford to apply this 2 times or 3 times in a day, then definitely it is an office scent. It is a very good scent for summer. Yeah, for summer you can wear it, and especially when you are on outing you can wear it. But I have been a bit disappointed because I have tried many perfumes in the past, and this one is having almost 1/4, 1/5 of longevity in comparison to them. So I'm a bit disappointed because I have spent almost 25 pounds in it. I have bought it from allbeauty.com, which is like very genuine site. There is no reason to doubt that it can be like a fake one or anything like that. Okay, but please, if you do have this and you have used and your opinion is different, then please share your experience in comment. I would acknowledge your comment, and I would retry it, and I would try again to invest my emotion in this. But anyhow, it is the best thing is it is natural, not much synthetic. It is although short lasting, but good profile. If I have been out in summer, it might last it long. So this is something which I am looking for. So, and there are certain occasions where I can wear, and daily wear is possible. So yes, so there are plus and minuses are there. Minuses are more, pluses are rare, pluses are less, but it's all upon you. But I would not recommend it to buy.